Welcome back to Crafty Playtime YouTube channel. Today in this video you are going to learn the easiest crafts which are easily available at home. The first one is seesaw. As they are showing, draw two circles on the paper and color it as grandma and grandpa. Later, cut the paper and paste it on a cap which is put some dough in it, and your seesaw is ready. You can give this to your grandparents. Hee hee. Next is butterfly. The butterfly which is rotating on its own. You can keep it on your study table or in the showcase or on the dining table. To make this type of butterfly is very easy task. I will show you. Wait. Take a string and, as we are showing in the video, make two antennas, means a pair of antenna for the butterfly, and take a shell and fold it to the length of it by rounding it. You can see in the video how we are making the antenna for the butterfly. Next, draw the butterfly wings and give outline for it and color as you wish. Later, cut the paper and paste the wings to the string to make your butterfly ready to rotate on its own. Did you like it, children? Woohoo! We have come to the third craft, that is cycle, made by the water bottle caps, which takes lesser than 5 minutes to prepare this cycle. I'm damn sure you definitely like this craft. Please make at home and enjoy. Have you seen a water bottle Superman? Hey, here it is. We are making Superman by using the waste water bottles and their caps and Fevistick. As we are showing the video, make the water bottle Superman at home and you can play it. Definitely you are going to enjoy it to play with it. paper cuttings. Take 2 black paper sheets and paste it by using the gum tape. Later on, make the body of the penguin and make its eyes, feet and also feathers. And enjoy your cutie penguin. Now we are going to make sunflowers by using paper cups. For this, take yellow color paper cup and cut into strips and spread the strips as we are showing in the video. Cut the paper cup and spread the strips and roll it. A small one and the longer one. The small one and the longer one. Here your sunflower is ready. Later, draw eyes, chubby cheeks, lips to this colorful sunflower and make it happy sunflower. And cut some leaves to that and attach. You can gift to your friends on their birthdays as well as to your teachers on teachers' days and on some other functions which you celebrate at school. Definitely, they are going to appreciate you. Now, we are going to make longy giraffe only by 3 steps. Make a cone in yellow sheet and cut it equal. Later, paste the face of the giraffe. Draw eyes and a broad smile and naughty tongue to the giraffe. And also take some orange paper pieces and paste to its body. Hey, your giraffe is ready. Rock it. Which one was your favorite? Comment me in the comment box and don't forget to follow Crafty Playtime. Thank you. Bye.